Ever since I discovered how to use onion for my hair without making my whole house smell like a restaurant kitchen, I stopped looking at onions the same way. My people, if you ever used onion water on your hair, you already know the struggle. You apply it feeling like, yes, my hair is about to thank me. Then 5 minutes later, you smell yourself and start wondering, is this hair care or am I preparing pepper soup? But listen, what if I told you there's a simple way to prepare onion water so you can enjoy your DIY hair routine without walking around smelling like raw onions? And today I'm going to show you exactly how I prepare mine, how I use it on my hair, and most importantly, the little step that can make a huge difference in the smell. Because let's be honest, nobody wants beautiful hair with an onion fragrance announcing their arrival before they even enter the room. So don't skip this video because I'm also going to show you a few mistakes you need to avoid when using onions as base hair treatment. Get your onions ready, grab your bowl, and let's turn this kitchen ingredient into a much more enjoyable hair care treatment. And please watch until the end because the final step is the one I wish someone had told me before now. Let's get into it. So to begin, grab your onions, but before we do anything else, we need to clean them properly. Peel off the outer layers, then wash the onions very well to remove any dirt or particles that we definitely don't want anywhere near our hair. Once our onions are clean, it's time to grate them. But wait, my love, have you really watched this video all the way to this point and you are still wondering whether you should subscribe? My dear, what are you waiting for? Come and join this family. If you love DIY hair care, natural tips, and simple ways to make better hair care without spending a fortune on expensive products, then you are definitely in the right place. Here on Tina's Hair and Beauty, we talk about DIY hair treatments, hair care routines, healthy hair practices, and simple ingredients you can use to care for your hair at home. So if you are dreaming of fuller, longer, healthier looking hair, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. We are on this hair journey together, and who knows, one day we might all be showing off our waist length hair. Now let's get back to our onions before they start wondering why are we all talking more than we are working. Yes, so I'm going to grate these onions to extract the juice, and if you don't have a grater, don't worry, my love, you can use a blender or juicer instead. But there is one very important thing I want you to remember: do not add water at this stage. Yes, don't add any extra water. We want concentrated, freshly extracted onion juice, not onion flavored water. The whole point of today's recipe is to start with fresh onion juice, and then we are going to use another ingredient later in the process to help make the smell much more pleasant. Because let's be honest, onion may be a popular DIY hair care ingredient, but that smell, my sister, that smell can follow you around like it's paid rent. Yes, I have heard this complaint so many times. Whenever I use onion on my hair smells like onions, and honestly, I understand. You can have your hair looking beautiful, but once somebody gets close to you, they start wondering, Madam, what are you cooking? What did you cook today? So that's exactly what we are addressing in today's video. I'm going to show you how I prepared this onion treatment and what I added to make the finished mixture smell much more pleasant. I can't promise that everyone's hair will have absolutely no onion smell, but because everyone's hair can have different, so please don't skip. Let's keep watching. Now that we have grated our onions, it's time to strain them. Take a clean strainer or cheesecloth and squeeze out as much juice as possible. And look at that, freshly extracted onion juice. If you are using a blender instead, remember, blend the onions without adding water. Then strain the mixture thoroughly. We want the juice, not chunks of onion hiding inside your hair. So let's extract every bit of that juice, and then I will show you the special ingredients we are adding next to tackle that strong onion smell. Keep watching, my love, because this is where the real transformation begins. So after straining our onions, this is the fresh onion juice we extracted. Look at that. This is exactly what we wanted. Freshly extracted onion juice with no added water. Now, let's move to the star ingredient of today's recipe. And trust me, this is the part many of you have been waiting for. Yes, cinnamon. Yes, my love, cinnamon. Apart from its warm and beautiful aroma, cinnamon is commonly used in DIY beauty preparations because of its natural occurring antioxidant compound. And here's why we are adding it to this recipe. We are not only looking for a pleasant smelling mixture, we are also creating a more enjoyable DIY hair care treatment. If you don't have cinnamon, you can also use cloves instead. For this recipe, I'm using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you are using cloves, you can use 1 teaspoon of finely ground cloves instead. But please don't use both at the same time. Choose one. Now add your cinnamon powder to the fresh onion juice and stir gently. Take your time with this step. We want the cinnamon to distribute thoroughly with the onions as evenly as possible. And my love, if you are still watching at this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come and join this family. Here on Tina's Hair and Beauty, we are all about DIY hair care, simple beauty recipes, hair care tips, and affordable ways to make your hair grow better. So if you love learning how to make simple treatments at home, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and become part of the family. And while you are here, give this video a thumbs up. That little thumbs up helps the video reach more people who are looking for ways to make onion based hair treatments more enjoyable to use. Now let's get back to our mixture. Once you have stirred everything thoroughly, please do not apply it directly to your hair yet. Next step is very important. We need to strain it. Why? Because we don't want cinnamon particles sitting all over your hair. Imagine finishing your hair treatment and then spending the next 3 business days next 3 business days to remove cinnamon particles from your hair. No, right? Yes, thank you. Take a clean strainer or cheesecloth and strain the mixture carefully. Look at what we are removing here. This is exactly why straining is important. You want the liquid, not the residue. Once you have finished straining, you should be left with a much smoother liquid that is easier to apply. Now you can transfer it into a clean spray bottle if you prefer spraying it directly onto your scalp. But personally, I like using cotton wool. I simply dip the cotton wool into the mixture and gently apply it section by section. Don't aggressively rub your hair. Yes, don't. Just apply it gently and make sure you don't flood your hair with the mixture. And look at that color and the aroma. My people, this is exactly what I was talking about. Instead of that strong raw onion smelling dominating the entire room, the cinnamon gives the mixture a much warmer, more pleasant scent. Now, one important thing, cinnamon and cloves can irritate sensitive skin or scalp. So please patch test a small amount first. If you experience burning, redness, itchiness, or irritation, wash it off and don't continue using it. So after applying the treatment, you can leave it on for a short period before washing your hair, depending on how your scalp responds. I personally prefer to wash mine out rather than leaving a concentrated onion and spice mixture on my scalp overnight. And please don't prepare a huge batch and keep it for weeks. Homemade mixtures without proper preservatives can spoil quickly. So make a small amount, use clean containers and utensils, and discard if its smell, color, or appearance changes. And that's it, my love. Our fresh onion and cinnamon hair treatment is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to Tina's Hair and Beauty, share this video with someone who loves DIY hair care, and leave me a comment below and tell me, have you ever used onion juice on your hair before, or has the smell been the reason you have been avoiding it? I want to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, my loves. Keep taking care of your beautiful hair, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget that this girl right here is always and always and always rooting for you. I will see you all in my next video. And please, before you leave, don't just watch and go. Subscribe to the channel, share with your loved one, and leave any comment or any question down in the comment section. I will see you in my next video and I will answer all your questions. Love you and love you. I love you. I love you, and remain blessed. Bye bye.